Good morning, everyone. It's been a while since I've actually done any vlogging. Most of last year was spent in and out of the hospital, and last 4 months of the year I was off work on sick leave, so wasn't really feeling around to getting behind the camera again. Or I guess it would be behind the camera usually is what you mostly see from me. Now I'm in front of the camera, but it's neither here or there. So anyway, those of you who have not known, I was off work because I had issues with heart arrhythmia problems. That was really digging into both my work and personal life in a lot of ways. Basically felt like an old man. Couldn't climb stairs, could barely, walk 20 feet without feeling exhausted from my heart going absolutely crazy. So around October last year, I got some corrective surgery again. Be my second radio frequency ablation to correct these problems. And so far it's been holding. So now it's beginning of March. So I got back to work in the middle of December. And mainly haven't been doing a whole lot, just mostly computer IT work, that kind of stuff. Playing desk jockey. But that's fine. Can't really handle a whole lot right now, but every day I'm getting a little better. So that's not too terrible. I'm in the car today just because, for one, it's cold. Two, it's snowing. I would much rather not ride the bike in snow again. I learned that lesson a long time ago before I had this job. I was working for a small outfit in Kentucky and didn't bother to check the weather one time. It was in the 60s during the day and pretty warm in the morning when I left the house. It's like, oh, this is going to be a great day. And no. I didn't get out of work until 10:30, and once I got off work, there was 5 inches of snow on the ground. It's like, oh, goody. And they hadn't plowed the roads yet. At that time, I was living in Huntington, West Virginia, and working in Worthington, Kentucky, which was about 30 miles. And I didn't have heated gear at the time, so the only thing I had was my Carhartt and riding pants and a semi-winter set of gloves, boots. So just had to take my Bergman 400 and try riding it home in the snow. Fun times. Took me about 3 hours to do that. Yeah, lesson learned. Check the weather before taking your bike out. I know Road Rash HD just touched on that a little bit in his latest video. Of course, he actually got home before the ground got bad. So not fun. Well, unless your bike just happens to be outfitted with one of those ski attachments on the front wheel. I saw at AIM Expo once. I think we got a video clip of that too from when we were at the expo. Go searching through our clips. Nifty little rig for areas with a lot of snowfall. But not my cup of tea. Never liked the snow. Always will hate the snow. Want to move south next chance I get. But unfortunately that's not going to happen for a while. Mostly because I'm in debt up to my eyeballs from last year's fiasco. Still 4 months behind on the rent, utilities, and several other things. Get myself physically capable to working 50 hours a week at least. So maybe the overtime will help with that. But it's kind of hard to justify working 50 hours when all you're doing is sitting at a desk all day. Ugh. So if you guys haven't been following us on Instagram, we do now have a post office box. If you guys want to know the number, check in the description below. And look here, it's post office 31291, Cincinnati, Ohio, 45231. Let the spam begin.